Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Today it's February 11. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual. So, Bitcoin chart. Morning Bukur, morning Noure, Bova, Ivan, Christian, Shogun, Andrei. Well, we have the bounce we talked about a couple of days ago. Let's see how strong it is. Let's see how high we'll push. You can see we have 100k as the resistance now. I don't suggest to FOMO in that level. It's better to wait for a up move, close above and retest of 100k if you want to hunt a long. You had the chance to hunt long ideas on lower time frame. In the lows, in the long reload zone here. Not too many people hunted long ideas then. Everyone was fearful. Well, market is in a range, is playing the range game. We can still have that W. Usually market is giving us some nice Ws, at least Bitcoin. Sometimes we'll go retest this level and no W, just straight up. Who knows? We'll see. But anyway, we are getting close to 100k, which is a important level. The most important level on Bitcoin, if you ask me. And if you look at the calendar, you'll see that tomorrow we have inflation rate. So, confluence, 100k inflation rate, maybe we should wait a little bit. Maybe we should stop focusing so much on Bitcoin and focusing on the important thing for the moment, for 2025. I don't know, just an idea, just my 2 cents. Okay, so Bitcoin is bouncing. You can see we have a tail to the downside to 90k. We have a wick to 100k. We shorted the fuck out of that level there. Was a nice one. Now, not the best way to trade. Here in the lows, I think was a good idea to hunt a long idea here. And if you look at lower time frame, you see that we touched long reload zone in that area. And on lower time frame, we even had some Ws. So, Bitcoin fighting 100k level as usual. Usual from, I don't know, couple of months now. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Similar price action after this drop. You can see we don't manage to get in the long reload zone. We are staying in the pump chaser zone. Long reload zone on higher time frame, but pump chaser zone on this bounce. 3-bar fractal confirmed here. Look at it. Yeah, indecision candle, another up candle, and we traded above this level. Above $2,700, we activated that 3-bar fractal. That means we should chase the market? I don't suggest. I suggest to go on lower time frame and play the market if you want. I still have this scenario here. It's still possible. Maybe it'll take longer to drop here and then pump. Who knows? But for the moment, we got the retest at 2,500 and something. You can see here. And now we are bouncing. It's enough? If I'm looking at what volume we had here in this week, yeah, it's more than possible. I hope you didn't sold your Ethereum at that level. I honestly hope you didn't do that. What we can expect from this one? Well, we can expect a move all the way up here in the short reload zone. Simple as that. So bounce here, not bad. We have an intermediate stop here in this area. Okay, we'll stop probably at $3,000 and fuck around a little bit. And if we are strong enough, we'll push here. Why not? If you want to trade lower time frame with Ethereum, you can take the Holy Grail and play a little bit. I told you last night when I got home at my desk. Sorry, let's put Ethereum back. When I got back at my desk, I told the premium members, hunt long ideas on lower time frame with Holy Grail, on strong altcoins. Altcoins that already pumped, not the coins that maybe will pump. And in the morning, one of the gladiators showed a nice gains, really nice ones. I hope more people listen to my not financial advice and they took some longs with Holy Grail. Because from last night until now, the market bounced really nice. I made nice money sleeping. Okay, so that Ethereum could bounce all the way up here in the short reload zone. That doesn't mean we'll do a candle until here. Well, it's possible, but usually it's just fucking around and pushing higher, pushing higher. Okay, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance. Look at it, people. Can you see something nice there? Something that we talked about. Previous high here. Look at this rejection here. It's still possible, in my view, to push all the way up at 63 in an event or something, just to retest and then to dump. But you can look even on, I don't know, weekly chart, and that's possibly the best local top you have. We talked about these levels, people. Day in, day out, day in, day out. I know when the market will reach below 60% and will go lower, all the influencer, well, you bought the deep anon, and in the deep they did something else. Shit themselves. It's ugly to say that on YouTube, but that's the reality. Tell me how many people told you in the fucking dip to buy the dip, yelling here. I don't know. The idea is to respect the plan. Plan is not to sell the bottom. Plan is to buy the bottom. We are waiting. They are buying opportunities. So Bitcoin dominance is looking interesting here. Trying to close. Hopefully we'll close a day below the previous high. We'll see. Doesn't look bad. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Still fighting that level. You can see it's like a magnet. It's just staying there. When I'll have more confluence above 003, that will be my, and could happen pretty fast, people. Usually it will happen fast. Look left and you'll understand why I'm saying that. We'll stay in the same place, but at some point in time we'll just, in one candle it's up above 003, it's printing that candle, closing above, and up we go. Total market cap still fighting $3 trillion, you can see. Total 3, same idea, fighting 1 trillion. Nothing bad with that. Will take as long as will take, I don't know. I'm here for the long run. Either I'm scalping, either I'm investing. Some swing trades in between when I see nice opportunities. Swing trading is really nice when you have a job, when you can see on specific time frames nice risk to reward, and you put the trade there and you forget about it. Really nice. Couple of one people will learn the swing trading part. By the way, we still have late registration for couple one. If someone from Crypto Traders Arena wants to join couple one, this week is the last opportunity. 2 places left. I know a lot of people will regret that they didn't took the couple one. I had people DMing me and asking me about couple one, and they didn't said anything. I'm not pushing, but well, when you see the results on the other people who took the program in time, because it will not happen overnight, well, you'll say, well, I could be like them. Anyway, let's go to the next slide. Here, overall, market is looking bouncy. Tomorrow we have important reports, so don't chase the market. If you want to chase, and now I'm talking with premium and VIP members, use Holy Grail, because that one has a trailing method. You can move your stop in profit. Yeah? Lower time frame, I could see a lot of altcoins bouncing. Now let's take a look at the altcoins. The strongest one, Combo. Look at it. TIA. Look at TIA, people. I said, watch out, it's closing back above $3. This is a gift. Well, I don't know. Did you listen? Didn't listen? It's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, people. We had this level, this gift level here for, let's see how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 6 days. Fuck it. If you didn't took it, it's your fault. It's your decision, not mine. I'm not a financial advisor. Yeah? So, I don't know what to tell you, people. Honestly. We had the level here. You had me, Stefan, blabbing away. Look at that chart. Look at that chart. It's a gift. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Well, you didn't want to buy it. Okay, go on. Buy it 10, 15% higher. It's up to you. I'm not... Now I'll wait for a double if it will happen. I'll personally not wait because I bought the shit out of $3 level. I invested even my profits from 2 days in TIA. The next one, you can see there are still opportunities out there. The market is still at the lows, people. Look at it. It's still buyable on daily, some of them. Not all of them, but some of them. Even Dimension is making a double here. And I think they started unlocking the coins and they're still pumping. Look at it. This is a daily double, people. Daily W on price, daily W on RSI, daily fucking W on OBV. Can you get better than that? I don't know. It's up to you. If the market will pump, this one will pump also. Okay? Good level. You want to take the W or you want to put the stop loss all the way down there? It's up to you. But could be a trade. Don't chase it. Wait for a retracement. Where you should put your take profit? Well, look at DCM. Look at where I said $2 cost average. Not a bad level. There you go. 12 to 1. Potential trade. Hot. Similar. A lot of coins are looking bouncy here. SSV. Similar. Remember this level? We talked about it. Yeah. Said SFU of the lows here. It's a buying opportunity. Now it's 10-12% higher. And I could go on all of them. They are looking the same, people. Yeah. Looking the same. I framed a trade on SNX. Yeah. Not this one. Sorry, people. On lower time frame. 4 hour, I think. Yeah. I posted it on a premium. I like this level. As a swing trade, as a higher time frame trade. I could see this one pushing all the way up here. Well, yeah, why not? That's 18 to 1. Too nice risk to reward not to take it. Will fail, I'll try it again. So, there are some things to trade. Look at this one. It's accepting, look at it. It's accepting above $2. It's making a fucking W there on 4 hour chart. Let's put the daily. We discussed this one. Reclaim here, maybe. Look at the W. How do you think? You can find a setup there. You can invest at $2 on peer. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. Stupid trader trading his own money. Even waves. Everything looks similar, people. Some of them didn't pump yet. Some of them pumped already. And they'll pump more. But they are looking bouncy. This bounce, in general, this bounce, for example, here. I took as just an example SSV. Probably will give us a nice W, a nice consolidation on daily here. Doesn't mean you should chase here. If you want to take this trade here, okay, risk all the way to the lows, but don't expect to straight up. It's possible, but you still have time to frame a good setup here. But please don't wait until you'll reach $32, $35, $36 and then come here and put it as a request where I should buy SSV. because I will show you this level. Yeah. Okay, people. That's the higher time frame. Let's go on lower time frame. Well, I have Saga here on day trading, swing trading part. You can see I took one trade. Stop me out, motherfuckers. I took the next one on 1 hour, and I'm in profit now. I cannot complain about it. Look at it. I had a perfect trade here in the long reload zone. I took it. Well, failed. Happens. And then I took the next one. And now I'm in profit. And I'll be risk-free soon enough. But you get the idea. Bera, we talked about on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. We talked about Bera yesterday. Yeah? You remember yesterday talking about round numbers? Sounds familiar what we said about round numbers, because we don't have price action to tell us what to do. And we don't want to use fibs. They could give us some levels, but the best way to take a big altcoin, a new altcoin that doesn't have levels, is round numbers. People love round numbers. They react to round numbers. They put limit orders at the round numbers, so they are more than okay to use. And look what happened from yesterday. Let's put 1 hour chart because we don't have too much chart here. At $5, I said, well, $5 looks like a good level, 100 Ws. And look at it. $6 now. That means 20%, people. No? I think it means kind of 20% up. If you manage to take a trade here, for example, if you took $5 and you put the stop loss below $5, like you can do on lower time frame, let's find. So if you took the trade where I suggested, now you are up 4R. Not bad. Could do more, yeah, could pump all the way up here at 7. If you look left, you can see that it's a support and resistance, maybe even 8. That's a 10R. Well, how many times you book a 10R, people? Anyway, don't chase it here, in my 2 cents. I was buying, and I'm buying on spot, people. I'm adding, from my profit, I'm adding on spot. Just buying some coins and put them there. Buying some coins and put them there. Okay, Bitcoin. Lower time frame. Well, look at it. We reached long reload zone here. 1, 2, 3 times, and that's it. Pushing higher. I wanted a lower W here. Sorry. Not this time, Paul. But you get the idea. Now we are getting close to the short reload zone. So, nah. I don't want to hunt long ideas there. Indicators are looking kind of healthy here, but still not the best. Just not the best. Best level to hunt. If you want to play a lower time frame, that's a different story. Well, for example, I don't know, 5-minute chart. Let's see, 5-minute chart. Holy Grail. Look at it. You had an entry here. You are in profit. If you play this one, you made some money, got stopped out. You get the idea. If you see things like this, people with some experience know how to modify the Holy Grail a little bit, because it's a habit here, you can see. So you can modify it a little bit so you will respect the stop loss, and you'll put the stop loss a bit lower. The risk reward will be a slightly different, but it's a good way to stay in the trend. Same on Ethereum, for example. Look at it. You think you can make some money with Holy Grail? I think you can. Let's take TIA, for example. Similar story with Holy Grail. Look at it. Tao. Look at the entries. People, we have the perfect tool to trade in a trend, micro trend environment. And we have trends and micro trends in a bull market. That's the best. Start using Holy Grail if you are a trader, if you are here to trade. Yeah? if you are a VIP, DM Stefan, give him the TradingView username, he'll put it in a list and I'll give you access. If you are a premium member and you don't have access on Holy Grail, DM me directly and I'll give you access. All the VIP members, all the premium members should have access on Holy Grail. Also, people who maybe are not premium anymore, but they did Capua 1 at some point in time, or Capua 2, they have access on Holy Grail. When you do Capua 1, you get lifetime access. If you do Capua 2, you get lifetime access on Holy Grail. Up to you. Said something about 70k idea on Bitcoin is still possible. Well, it's still possible, Andre. It's still possible. Let's go back on Bitcoin. Let's put a higher time frame, for example. Well, daily it's good enough. At any point in time, any bad event or something could give us a retracement until here. Yeah, it's less probable as long we are pushing higher and higher. If we'll break the range, yeah, we have a slightly, I don't know, kind of support here, but I don't think we'll hold. So if we'll break the range, I think the target is 70k area on Bitcoin. It's possible at any point in time. A 30% retracement in Bitcoin is possible. Not probable, possible, Andre. But for that possibility, I'm keeping my reserve open. So if the market will drop there, I'll get my reserves, buy shitcoins, sell half on a double, put my reserves back. Yeah? I'm not saying, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying Bitcoin will reach that area. I'm saying if we'll reach that area, I have a scenario prepared. I have something. I planned already what I'll do, because if I'm waiting for that to happen, I'll feel the same like you, panicked. What the fuck I do? It's dropping. No, I'm planning before, because I know the TA part. I know what is possible. I'm planning what I'll do in that scenario, and when that will happen, I know what to do. I don't have to think. I don't have to panic. I don't have to plan then. I'm planning before, when I'm cool, when I'm relaxed, when my mind is clear. Yeah, that's the idea. I never said you are the public, Andre. So I planned that scenario. As long as we are still in this range could break to the upside or to the downside. If we'll break to the downside, this scenario is possible. If we'll break to the upside, well, that's a different story. But if we'll break here, I planned already what I'll do. Old public. Yeah, Sebastian. Andrei, you can tell yourself if you are part of the public or not. It's a simple way to find out for everyone. Look at your agenda. If you have your master plan, if you have your day trading plan, if you are a day trader, if you have the swing trading plan, investment plan, everything in your agenda on the fucking piece of paper, yeah, then you are not the public. If you don't have your plan, put it there, you are the public. New, old, doesn't matter. Okay? That's the best way to tell if you are the public or not. If you have the plan in your agenda, if you're an investor, okay, you have the investor plan in your agenda, okay. Well, that's the best way to tell if you are the public, stupid money or not. If you have the plan there, then you don't consider yourself public. If you respect the plan, definitely you're not part of the public. It's that simple. So that was the scenario, Andrei. Now let's go back here. You can see Holy Grail is doing his job. Now let's go back on 4-hour chart. Because on 1 minute, I don't think daily crypto plan is not for 1 minute. Will not help the people that are watching now or will watch 1 hour later. Yeah. Trump, I think Stefan posted a trade. People, not all the trades hit my take profit. Some of them hit my stop loss. Look at this one. Stefan posted a trade here and is deep in profit. Yeah, yesterday I was out, but Stefan posted for premium, I think, for VIPs. They made nice money. I was out the entire day, and last night when I got back at my desk, I said, fuck it, I missed all the opportunities. Let's find the next move. And I saw Holy Grail. And I posted on Premium. And until morning, I made more profit that they made in the daytime. Okay, people. All the altcoins look kind of similar. Not exactly everything. They are bouncing. Watch out. They are bouncing in a resistance area. Tomorrow we have big news, so don't chase the market. If you don't have access on Holy Grail or you're not a trader, don't chase. Focus on your time frame. If you are a day trader, you can stay on 1 hour and find 1 hour W's on, I don't know, 50 minutes. If you are a swing trader, find 4 hour daily W's. Yeah, we have location, really nice, good location here. Hunt W's and you are ready to frame a setup. If you are an investor, you can buy anyway because the levels are still at the lows and they are still good. Okay, so not too many things changed on higher time frame. You can see Solana, for example, is still here in the long reload zone. We had a 4 hour W breakout retest. We are trying to push higher. You get the idea. Huh? We had M. The target for the M was here in the long reload zone. We touched that area 2 times. People panicked, sold their fucking Solana below $200. Some of they DM me. They told me what they did, and I don't know how to say it nicely when you see someone is doing stupid stuff. But you got the idea. Well, I made some money on it, and okay. Tell me where if you sold below $200, where the fuck you want to enter back? At 250? At 300? How low you think Solana could go? If Bitcoin will go to 70k, then yeah, maybe you'll get 150, maybe you'll have a better level. But if it will not happen, where you enter again? Where you buy back your Solana? If you don't buy it at all, okay, I get it. You book the profit. You are out for this bull market. You don't touch this bull market anymore. But the probability to buy it at $400 to get some hype, yeah, it's big. Because you'll feel the pain of missing out. Yeah? You said, well, if I didn't sell at 200, now at 400 I'll have double my money. I'll buy it because it's going higher. Come on. Be smart. So it's a nice bounce. In 4 hour chart, you can see some of them, they are trying to form a bottom, but we don't have to chase. We don't have to, I don't know. Day traders, swing traders, they should follow setups, people. Yeah? We have good location. We should think only long setups as a swing trader, even at day traders. Yeah? Hunt setups. Setups have specific rules, clear stop losses, clear take profits, and so on. And let's focus on that. That's the key on trading. If you are an investor, there are good levels to buy, to dollar cost average, to the market. 10% on Tau, 10% on a shitcoin is nothing. It's nothing serious. You can still buy them. But as traders, following the plan, following the setups, following the risk management is key to success. Yeah? The process is the most important thing. I hope you understand that. Don't come here and tell me you risk 10% in a trade. Okay? That's not risk management. That's stupid. Yeah? A day trader should risk 0.1, 0.5, 1%. A swing trader should risk 1 or 2% in a trade, max. That's it. And watch out total risk. Don't tell me you risk 5% and you are a swing trader. That's not risk management, people. Don't tell me more than 5% because what you are telling me that you are stupid. Sorry, but that's the reality. If you are risking more than 2%, you are just stupid. That's not risk management. At any point in time, it's probable to get 5, 6, even 10 stop losses in a row. Tell me how much money you'll have if you risk 5% in a trade. And you had 10 stop losses in a row with 5%. Well, that scenario will bring you 50% from your account, which means you have to double your fucking money to get break even. If you have the strength to do that, because people, when they are losing 50% of the account, they actually lose the entire account. Their emotion state will be so low that they will lose everything. Sorry about the rant, but that's the reality. You want to be part of us, you want to be a trader, you want to be successful, well, respect the fucking risk management, people. It's not rocket science, it's simple. Put the emotions away and respect the risk management, respect the setups and respect the plan. Everyone wants the holy grail, the what I should do. Wait, that's the process is what you should do to be profitable. Good morning, Stefan. Waking up, Stefan. You are posting from Crypto Traders Arena, I see. Well, you see why I'm saying good morning, Stefan. He's waking up. Look at him. You broke a pipe? Well, what the fuck I told you yesterday? You are doing... I know how to do it. Well, no, I know. Well, good luck, Stefan. Stay on trading, Stefan. I teach you how to trade. You can pay someone to do the work for you. Come on. You are making in a trade more than that installer will do in a week. Why the fuck you are doing that? Now, happy birthday. Now you call someone, yeah. Oh, well. When you learn that it's better to listen to me, Stefan. When you learn that. I told you, let's take easy things, not the important things. They are not discussable here. But I told you, buy a Mac 2 years ago. No, I don't like Mac. Now, he's falling in love with Mac. Well, it's the best tool ever. Oh, thank you. Every time I'm telling you, and you are not listening. And then you come here and tell, well, you're right. Well, thank you. Well, look at Solana. If you should buy or you should sell here. I don't say to buy on spot. I say if you should hunt a long idea. I mean, I'm not buying spot on $200, but you get the idea. On lower time frame, you have some opportunities. Everything looks kind of ready to pump more, but don't chase people. Yeah. Yeah. Luckily, he listened to me about trading. Now, he can trade by himself easily. So, Bera is pumping, Holy Grail, I don't know, Jupiter is pumping, slightly. This one is lagging, but you can see, good pump. Saga, it's a deep in profit. If you see pumping, use Holy Grail on it. If you are a, I don't know, 4-hour trader, wait for a retest. Don't buy above the neckline of the W. Wait for a retest. Don't FOMO. No. I'm the same guy that told you don't sell your bags at the lows. The same guy is telling you don't FOMO in and buy above the W. Wait for a retest. If it will come, okay. If not, next bus. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. I don't see requests. Why do you think it's important for reclaim? Think about it, Jade. Why it's important for the price to reclaim, to accept back in that area? Because after accepting back above, that area from resistance is support. The simplest explanation I could give. I could stay here and talk about that for 1 hour, or I could say, well, if the market is accepting back, that means what was the resistance now is support. Okay, Jade? Hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, people, he gold on daily. Come on, Andre. What did he gold again? Okay. Why not? You are Romanian, so I could understand why why you want e-gold. Well, e-gold is doing what e-gold should do. Fighting this area. It's a fighting zone. The guy is trying to push it. He spent the money in the wrong direction. Some of it. But I still own e-gold. I bought it. I finally got my buy order at $20, so I'm more than happy to hold some e-gold. If they'll succeed, they could do really nice things. Really nice things. Why? Supply is limited. Yeah. I bought 20. I didn't bought lower. I had the limit order at $20. I bought it. It's above. $20 is accepting. You can see it's trying to close above $20. If we'll do that it's power of 3. And I could see it at $40. Well, I should sell half on a double and I have free gold for life. Maybe the gold is the best thing ever. I don't know. In 2 years you can be at $10,000. I don't know. I'm joking. I don't know where it will be, but it's a good area to buy. So I bought some e-gold. I have to be part of the Romanian crew, Andre. I have to buy some e-gold, no? Especially that I made tons of money last time with e-gold. No. I cannot complain about e-gold. What I was complaining were the Romanian influencers at some point in time. They said dollar cost average at $100. And I said, well, you are stupid. How the fuck you should... Was $500. Yes, indeed, but buying at 100 is not the best idea. I know, gold is the best thing. I could be, but still too high. Wait. And they got punished. By the market, not by me. I'm not here. I just tell my 2 cents. But the market punished them. And their public saw how good they are. That's the idea. Yeah, they did the dollar cost average here, people. Here in this area. Well, no, we'll succeed and we'll do. No. Wait. Untested levels here, people. Untested. In a bear market, you think it's probable the market will test lower these levels? No. Your dollar cost averaging here in the highs when you have lower levels here untested? Nah. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. Yeah, call it a live stream in half an hour, I think, Stefan. When you'll do the live stream today? I didn't ask Stefan, but he usually does his live stream. Day trading with Stefan. Which will give you some insight about how Stefan is trading. He has a different style than me. He has ICT concepts, more market structure than I use. I prefer fibs. Yeah, so Stefan will do the live stream. We'll probably post on all the channels we have. One request. Please repost the Stefan tweet everywhere you can. Yeah, it's a good way to people to know us. Okay? So I'll be there and I'll ask you again. Please repost and let's share these live streams we have, because this is the best way. And they are not attracting moon boys. That's the best thing about reposting the live stream. They're not attracting moon boys. Moon boys don't want to hear levels, don't want to hear setups. They want to hear straight to the moon. So if we share the live stream and serious people will hear about us, we attract the right kind of people. That's why I love to ask you to repost. We'll grow the community in a organic and a strong way. Okay, that being said, let's call it a live stream. See you on Day Trading with Stefan in 20 minutes, half an hour. Or in the New York session. It's free for everyone today. See you. Bye-bye.